Um, Welcome to the video. My name is Busiso Nkosi. I'm a computer science student and a web developer. The purpose of this video and any other upcoming video towards the future is to teach the skills I've been learning as a developer. And currently, the main focus is AI engineering. So I'll be developing skills to become an AI engineer. So what I mean about AI engineer is being able to develop applications that contain some kind of intelligence or AI in them, and being able to integrate AI inside existing applications. So those are the skills I'll be focusing on from now on till December, mainly the fundamental skills to be able to develop those applications. Then we'll take it from there. Though I do plan to have more skills and more knowledge towards the future, because I am interested in robotics and the combination of artificial intelligence and robotics in one field. So that's futures me problem. That's a future me problem. For now, we'll focus on AI engineering. So I've divided AI engineering into 6 phases in my roadmap, and for those who are starting from the ground up or looking for some kind of guide, I do have my roadmap linked down below. You can just download a copy and you can use it as a template to tailor your own roadmap for based on your skill level, because I did design this one based on my skill level. So the 6 phases are as follows. So phase one is a 2-week sprint into Python and data basics. Now, I already know how to code, so I won't be starting from zero, but we'll be covering Python from the ground up, because Python is the main tool used for almost everything AI related in today's world. So before I touch any of that, I need to make sure I'm able to code in Python comfortably, not as an expert, but comfortably. As a barrier, I'm also going to be covering pandas and NumPy and basic statistics just to understand how Python functions. And I'll be working on a project. Oh, the project will be a business data dashboard for us to get for us to absorb everything we need and grasp it to master it. So phase two is where we learn machine learning and how it actually works. What I need to understand are the concepts of regression, classification, overfitting, and embeddings, so that when I'm working with AI systems later, I understand what's happening under the hood, because there is a difference between knowing how to use a tool and understanding how to use a tool. And this helps us become better problem solvers and experts in the field. So the project here will be an AI expense predictor. I might change the project later on, but for now we are going to stick with that. Next up is phase 3. So LLM APIs and prompt engineering is where things get exciting, for me at least. This is the core of what AI engineering is right now and what's trending on the internet. I'm talking about directly working with large language models like the OpenAI's APIs and Anthropic, learning how to write effective prompts using function calling, handling responses, and managing context windows. This is the skill that we want. This is what we are working hard for. So this is where our brain is going to function. The project at the end of this phase is an AI tutor chatbot, so which is going to be exciting. All right, so now in phase 4 is where we cover RAG and AI backend. So RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's what lets us to build an AI that can reply based on specific data that the system already has, meaning it can pull data from the database and give customized answers. So here we'll be working with vector databases, building semantic searches, and putting AI powered APIs together using fast APIs. This is a phase where we are now will be able to build AI infrastructure or AI that can be customized based on the specific data. And this is where we'll be building a project called an AI knowledge based API, meaning an API that can pull specific information based on the data stored in the database. Now, phase five is where everything comes together, and honestly, this is the one I'm most excited about. I'll be taking everything I've learned and building an AI math tutor as a SaaS. This is where I take all the skills I've learned and combining them into one. So here I'll be using React Native for a mobile application. So I will be teaching React Native after I've learned it, because I'm documenting every skill I'm trying to learn towards this journey. And we will be building a med tutor specifically for high school students. So this is where we test our skill and we dive deep into problem solving. Now in phase six, this is where we polish everything and we clean up our GitHub, we make sure our readmes are fine, we brush up our CV, our LinkedIn, and our portfolio, making sure that it's properly optimized to showcase the skills we've built over the course of the duration of the challenge of learning the skills we need to build AI powered applications. So here, this is where we decide where we go freelancing, or we start developing our own products or businesses, or we brush up our skills to make sure we can apply for entry jobs. And that's it. So if you're interested, follow the videos, do subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you.